Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I just unboxed a huge pallet of unexpected returns with a lot of large items, but I'm definitely going to make my money back. All right, let me give you the specs on this pallet just so you know exactly what you're looking at. This is a bulk.com pallet of uninspected returns. It retails at $1,871. Home goods, men's shoes, commercial equipment. Of course, men's shoes, there were only 2 pair, but they were good ones. 22 items in it. My cost was $171 plus $76 shipping because I picked these up at the bulk.com warehouse myself. It's not something customers get to do yet, but hopefully with me being the guinea pig, it'll come soon. $247 is what I paid, so $11.22 per item is basically where I'm at as far as what I invested. Your cost would have been $171 plus $200, so $371 would have been your cost. So let's get into what I think I actually can make. So we unboxed everything. If you haven't seen the full unboxings of every single thing that I did, go ahead and check out the video. It'll be tagged right at the end. But I want to show you actually in progress scanning. This is my highest item where I know I'm going to make my money back. So I'm going to scan this and I'm super excited about this. It's an electrical control box. So I'm just going to scan the barcode and then let me show you the specs on this one. It's a submersible pump control box and they're selling for $421.74, and it is brand new. It's never been opened. Of course, I opened it to make sure that it wasn't damaged, but it is brand new, so I'll reseal it, and $400. Awesome sauce. My 2 pairs of shoes are going to go on Poshmark, so check those out there. This KitchenAid, let's go ahead and just scan that and see if we can tell you how much that one's going to be. It's a KitchenAid bowl, so I'm just going to click my scanner on my Amazon seller app, scan it, and the KitchenAid bowl is selling for $50 online with a great sales rank, 30,000, which means it's going to go as soon as I hit the warehouse, as long as I have the buy box. And so this one was going for about $95. This Dewalt is selling for about $154. It's got 168 pieces in this tool set. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's brand new. The bummer about this Dewalt is that I am not ungated in being able to sell this on Amazon. So this will be on hookedonpickin.com, my regular store. So check this out. I'm going to severely undercut the $154 price on Amazon and make sure that it's available for you to be able to buy at a much cheaper rate. This here is an office cart that I scanned and it was about $35. And so it's awfully awkward to send in. So I'm just going to decide whether or not I want to sell this at a garage sale or if I want to put this in the Amazon warehouse. This, let's do this leaf blower. This leaf blower, the only thing that's wrong with this is that it had kind of a boogered up box. And so I'm going to scan this and tell you exactly how much the leaf blower is worth. So I love the Amazon seller app. All right, the leaf blower pops right up. Sales rank of 23,000, which is awesome. Perfect time of the year to sell it. It's selling for $77.18, brand new. So I definitely am going to make my money back. So with the course of just a few things that I show you, you can check out everything else that I've sold and even the watch case that I got in my mystery box. So check out my last video where I unboxed something mysterious. I think I spent $247 on this. I think I can totally profit about $1,000. So I think I'm going to make about $1,200, take my $247 off. So the retail was actually $1,800. I think I'm going to make at least 50% on the retail price, which is much higher than normal, but I found some really good things, and that electrical box is a killer score for me. And so I think maybe they just didn't know exactly what it was. But I'm super excited about this box and what I think my potential profits are going to be. Yes, some of the things are awkward to ship in, but they're definitely worth it. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what comes in this bulk.com pallet of uninspected returns. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.